Hello, students, and welcome. Today we'll be adding to the number 10. I can add to the number 10. Compose 10 in pairs. I set 6 colored pencils on the table. To compose 10, I set 4 more on the table. Decompose 10. Here I have 8 balls. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And I have how many white balls? I have 2 white balls. Let me go ahead and write that on in here. 2 white balls. Here I have 7 sheep. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let me draw a circle around 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Up. So I have 7 here. 7, and how many do I have left? I have 3. 7 plus 3 would give me 10 as well, just like 8 and 2 would give me 10. So let's see what our next one is. 10. So we have 4, and what number would give us 10? I like to do dots or circles, so we'll do some circles. 1, 2, 3, and 4. How many more circles do I need to make 10? Let's see. So we got 4 here. So let's go and add on some more. We got 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So therefore, I have a total of 6 that will go here. So 4 and 6 equals to 10. Okay, let's go on to the next one. It is useful to be able to add to 10. By using addition, you can determine totals. So here we have 2 ice creams. Oh, I love ice cream. One ice cream cone has 7 scoops, and the second ice cream cone has 3 scoops. Together, there are 10 scoops of ice cream. Number pairs that add to 10. This flower has 0 green petals and 10 purple petals. There are 10 petals in total. 1 plus 9 equals to 10. There go the green petal. And then we have 9 of the purple petals. Here we have 2 green petals and we have 8 of the purple petals. 2 plus 8 will equal to 10. 3 plus 7 equals 10. Here we got 3 green petals and we have 7 purple petals. 5 plus 5 equals 10. Here we have 5 green petals and we have 5 purple petals. 4 plus 6 equals 10. We have 4 green petals and we have 6 purple petals. 4 plus 6 equals 10. And guess what? 6 plus 4, which is the opposite of 4 plus 6, still equals to 10. Regardless of whether we flip those numbers, it's still going to be the same amount. Okay, so it's still going to equal to 10. 7 plus 3 equals 10. We have 3 purple petals and we have 7 green petals. 9 plus 1 equals 10. We have 1 purple petal and we have 9 green petals. 8 plus 2 equals 10. We have 8 green petals and we have 2 purple ones. 10 plus 0 equals 10. We have all green petals, which are 10 green petals. We have 0 purple petals. 10 plus 0 equals 10. Okay? Adding to 10. First count the objects in the first group, then add the second group to the first. So here this squirrel has 4, and this squirrel over here has 6. 4 plus 6 equals 10. Together the squirrels have 10 acorns in all. Count along and calculate. 8 plus 2 equals, so we have 8 chicks here, and we have 2 over here. 8 plus 2 equals 10. Okay. 6 plus 4 equals, let's count. We got 6 blossoms here, and we have 4 blossoms here. 6 plus 4 equals 10. The first number tells you how many you already have. The second number says how many more are added. Add them together. So this is the first number right here in orange. It tells us how many you already have. And then the second one, which is the 7, says how many more we need. Sometimes you only see numbers. You can imagine blocks in your head, and this helps you to count, okay? Add these numbers. How did you do that? 3 plus 7 equals, and we have 1 plus 9 equals. 3 plus 7 is 10. 1 plus 9 is 10. Okay. What is the missing number? How many acorns are in the first group? Count on from that number until you reach 10. How many more did you add? 3 plus 7 equals 10. The second squirrel had 7 acorns. Drag the correct number of sheep or lambs to the box. We have the sheeps over here. So we have 4. 4 plus what will give us 10? So we would actually need, and I'm going to represent my sheep as circles. So we have 4 sheep here. So I count on from 4. So I'll say 4 in my head, and then I'll say 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I have 6. 4 plus 6 will give me 10, so I would need 6 more sheep. Now let's go to these cute little lambs over here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. What plus 8 will give me 10? So we have 8 already. Then I can put 8 in my head, and then I'm counting on. So here we got 9, and we have 10. So I would need 2 extra lambs. So my answer would be 2. 2 plus 8 will give me 10. What is the missing number? Which number do you already know? Count on from that number until you reach 10. How many more did you add? Sometimes you can't count objects, but only see numbers. Imagine the blocks in your head. 8 plus what will give me 10? 8 plus 2. Finding the missing number, how did you do that? 5 plus what will give me 10? 5 plus 5 will give me 10. What plus 1 will equal 10? 9 plus 1 will give me 10. Okay, let's do some examples here and do a quick review. Calculating. 3 plus what will give me 10? Give you a second. If your answer was 7, you are correct. 2 plus what will give me 10? If you said 8, you are correct. What plus 4 will give me 10? If you said 6, you are correct. I have 5 cupcakes. 5 plus 5 equals. If you said 10, you are correct. 6 plus what will give me 10? Here I have 6 ice cubes. How many more is missing here would tell me exactly how much I need to make 10. You said 4, you are correct. 8 plus what would give me 10? You said 2, you are correct. 0 plus what would give me 10? You said 10, you are correct. 5 plus what would give me 10? If you said 5, you are correct. What number plus 3 would give me 10? If you said 7, you are correct. What number plus 1 would give me 10? If you said 9, you are correct. What did you learn? I can add to the number 10. Why is it useful to be able to add? 2 plus 8 equals 10. This squirrel has 2 acorns. This squirrel over here has 8. Addition memory. In pairs with number cards to 10, take turns flipping over 2 cards. Do they add to 10? If so, you can get to keep the cards and get a second turn. If not, your turn ends. So if I have 6 and 1, if I have 6 and I add 4 more together, their total is 10. So this will be a good game to play in the classroom or at home. So that way you can become better at adding to the number 10.